A very good afternoon, if not a wet afternoon here in South Cheshire, and I'm delighted to be able to give you a short video of this recently purchased one owner mini 5-door Cooper diesel with chili pack and navigation plus rear sensors plus exterior chrome pack, center armrest. You get the gist. It's a very well specified car owned by one person from brand new with a full mini dealer service history, including a recent PDI by our good selves, and the MOT is until November of next year. So we have a fantastic opportunity for somebody here. If you can hear the bleeping and doing behind me, I'm not sure what's going on. It's not in the building, it's not a fire alarm. I am perfectly safe. Whether they're having a fire alarm test, I don't know, somewhere else. So please, hopefully that won't interfere with our little video for you. It's Moonwalk grey metallic, which is another £500 or £600 option, and well worth it in my opinion. It's one of the most popular mini colours around at the moment. Lashings of chrome front and rear, around the headlight, and also around the door handles. A lovely car. Fantastic roof condition. Nothing wrong with that roof whatsoever. Absolutely splendid. You could, I suppose, about the only thing you could or you may wish to do is to have some privacy glass, darkened glass put into the rear of the car, but it's entirely up to you. It's not absolutely necessary, but if I suppose it's not essential, it's desirable if you wished it, and we can certainly arrange that for you. It's about £200 to have that done and completed, but it has got smoked glass anyway around the car. You have a double boot floor, and I'm not sure if the light will allow me to demonstrate to you, but in the present state you have an upper section here, which was another option or extra, would you believe. I think it's about £85. Otherwise you just get a standard floor, and I think you can just see, can you just see that? So that goes up and it just locks into place just at the top, just there. And then that sort of, I'll just step back a bit, and then you'll be able to see that's it. That's the depth of the floor. Underneath there is a tyre inflation kit and the locking wheel nut. Everything is absolutely fantastic. This is obviously inside. You'd never really look at this ordinarily, but we do painstakingly clean every orifice you can imagine of any vehicle, not just this vehicle, any vehicle. It takes as long as it takes us to prepare the vehicles for sale. Passing this free with our free UK delivery, competitive car finance, and fair part exchange. So in other words, we don't give you a low price, we give you what your vehicle's worth, whatever that may be. If you wish to part exchange, you don't have to, but if you wish to. There is the passenger front door card. With all electric windows all round, the driver's door controls all 4, and you can lock the rear doors, preventing children from undoing or opening the rear doors whilst the car is in motion. We don't want anything like that to happen. So there are child locks on the rear of the car. The seats, both front seats, because the chili pack half leather cloth seats, same on the rear, but the 2 front ones have an extendable piece here which can come out and give you some more support should you require it. There's no road tax, it's free road tax, which is a huge benefit, and you have beautiful wheels, black chili pack wheels, all matching hand coupe tyres, all in great condition by the way. I think it was MOT'd November by the mini dealer without any advisories, so that's a bonus. I'll just hop in the car. Let me just hop in the car. Heated electric wing mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, height adjustable steering wheel, also adjustable for reach, height and reach. So you've got double adjustment, reach towards you and height up and down from you. So let's just dip the clutch, press the button just there. That will then push the engine through. Not literally push the engine through, it will ignite the diesel fuel and start the engine. 35,800 miles, absolutely guaranteed. This is a very simple system to use. It's very much mirrored through the entire BMW range, which is what a lot of manufacturers are trying to do. So you have a wheel, the control just down here, If we just take you around, twisting it around gently, if we go to vehicle information, for example, vehicle status, down to service requirements, it should say all good, yeah, and there is the service history there. So there's your service history, and if you go across to say that one, oh, excuse me, it's just a little bit too sharp there. If you go to that one there, let me just go on to it. Right, let me get this right, David. Don't push it across, push it down, press down on it, and that will then come up to see what was done. So there you go, you can see rear brake pad service carried out. So that's all pretty good. Let's have a look at this one. Oil change, yeah, microfilters, air, oh, massive, big service that one, yeah. So there we go, that's all the servicing. Climate control as well. You've got a cable, if you wish, just down there, USB and AUX. 6-speed gearbox. You can also adjust the feel of the car, green mode or sport mode or sort of normal mode, as it probably will be in at the moment. You've also got this beautiful armrest here which opens up the storage. Just move that out of the way. You've got the ambient lighting, it's set at purple. You can adjust that just up here. You can adjust that. Can you see that change into orange, green? I quite like the blue actually, that's the blue there. But the purple's okay. Lovely car, rare as a 5-door, rare with such low mileage, rare as one owner, rare with a full documented by a mini dealer service record. Just a rare car, available, but very much in keeping with what we do here at Cheshire Cars. We do route these cars out. It's not easy, but we do route them out, and people know about us, and that helps us to route them out as well, because they will always nominate us to come and have a look and see what we think. So that's what we did just before Christmas, but we've been so busy with other vehicles. In the meantime, we just had to sort of carefully treat everyone with due diligence and make sure that we do go through all the checks, which we have now completed, and now here it is before you. 2015 15 plate Mini Cooper diesel, 1.6, 0 or 1.5, 0 road tax. It's a turbo diesel, 2 keys, book pack, service history all present, Moonwalk grey metallic, black roof. Have a fantastic day. We hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. If you wish to consider subscribing to our channel, there are almost 750,000 views on the channel and over 900 subscribers. If you subscribe, you get all the news before anyone else, those that haven't subscribed, that is. That's David Bilsborough. My business is Cheshire Cars, celebrating 25 years during 2021.